In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Google Drive storage and get 100 gigabytes with Google One. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Whichever you're comfortable with is perfectly fine. You'll then navigate to google.com. Once you're on Google's homepage, look for the familiar avatar icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to ensure you're logged into your Google account. At this point, it's crucial to make sure you're signed in with the account for which you want to upgrade the storage. If you're not signed in, simply click Sign In and enter your credentials. Once you've confirmed you're logged in with the correct account, type Google One into the search bar and press Enter. This will lead you to the Google One homepage. On this homepage, you'll find various storage options. Here, look for the storage plans available, and you'll notice various options starting with 100 GB. Click on the 100 GB plan to select it. You'll be given an overview of what's included in the plan, such as additional storage space, access to Google Experts, and extra benefits like discounts on hotel bookings and Google Store benefits. Don't worry if you're not familiar with these, they're just added perks of your subscription. Now you'll need to click on the Get Started or Buy option. You'll then be prompted to enter your payment information. Google accepts various payment methods, so feel free to use whichever method is most convenient for you, whether it's a credit card or another option. After successfully entering your payment information, click Subscribe. This will finalize your subscription to the 100 GB Google One plan. A confirmation email will be sent to your registered Gmail account, indicating that your purchase was successful. You now have access to 100 GB of storage, which will surely give you more room for your photos, videos, and important documents. To double-check that the upgrade was successful, go back to your Google Drive by clicking on the Google Apps menu, the little grid icon in the top right corner, and clicking Drive. At the bottom left corner of your Drive page, you can see your current storage usage, and it should now reflect the 100 GB capacity. Remember, this upgrade is an ongoing monthly subscription. So, if you ever decide you need more or less storage, you can always revisit the Google One page and adjust your plan as needed. That concludes our guide on upgrading to 100 GB Google Drive storage with Google One. I hope you found this explanation clear and helpful. Thank you for watching and enjoy your expanded storage space.